Sabadi. Today we're at Knox Kitchen, you guys. I love Lao food and I love Lao people because they're loud like me. Alright, today we're at Knox Kitchen. She moved location. I've been to the first one, so let's try this one. Just for reference, I'm Vietnamese and Raina is Chinese. And today we're eating Lao food. See, there's so many different Asians out here. Cheers. It's good. Okay, all the food came out for the most part. I got the beef jerky, some sauce, the spare ribs, the Lao sausage with the chicken and the beef skewer. Tam bung. Ooh, it's like a papaya with the noodles and the crab. I got some beef bung, popcorn chicken, fried tofu because Raina loves tofu. I got this liver, some roti, and some shrimp. I'm gonna start with my noodle soup first. Dress it up. The baby and some. Okay, add more chilies. I was like, let me get into this noodle soup. Oh my god, look at all those peppers. Yum. This is the beef. It's so tender. Y'all, it's so good. All right, let's try the beef jerky. This is the pork. Ooh. This is tam bun, and I love this because this is basically papaya salad with vermicelli noodles, but then it has like these marinated like crab. This is Lao style. Ooh, that's good. With the pork rind. You're Southeast Asian, your mouth gotta be watering for this. So good. This one is one of their traditional dishes, king salmon. This has salmon and herbs wrapped in banana leaves. Oh wow. Look at that. It's busy. Not my favorite, but it's good. All right, we got some roti. Ooh, this looks amazing. Look at this pancake bread. And some curry dip. This is good. Wow. Right now, you're like this. Yeah, I love it. All right, I love liver. This is some sticky rice. I'm gonna eat with my liver. I be going to IHOP and ordering liver, and people be like, "Yo, you wild." That's good. Y'all, Raina just got ghetto on us. I swear to God. I just heard her say, she said, "That chicken good, right?" Say it again, Raina. That chicken good, right?
That chicken good, right?
All right, I got some raw shrimp, you guys. I'm gonna squeeze this lime all over the top. And they have some of this, I want to say like crack sauce to dip it in with a chili pepper on top. Oh my God. My mouth is watering. That sauce is so good. All right, this is some bone soup. Ooh, that thing good. It's like the sweet and sour soup. All right, we gotta try one of these ribs. Mmm. Tender. Yummy. And of course, I can't forget about a Lao sausage. Psych. I'm not Raina. Mmm. Wow. So much flavor. Raina loves,
I've just been eating.
Raina loves fried tofu, you guys. Show me your tofu. This is the owner's baby, you guys. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Now we gotta finish out with some mango sticky rice. It's so pretty. Oh, so good. I love mango sticky rice. All right, the address is right here. Make sure y'all pull up. So full. I'm full. Delicious. Mwah, 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 mwah.